Let's do a look at the garden. Look how tall everything has gotten. There's the tomato plants, and they are huge. Look at the tomatoes on this plant. Look at them all. Tons of them. Same here. Look at them all. Tons of tomatoes coming in. There's my first red one. There's my kale, the purple kale. There's the green kale. We've already taken one purple kale out, one green one. There's more tomatoes. These are the Roma tomatoes. They're growing like gangbusters. I mean, look at the clusters. Crazy clusters. More tomatoes, more tomatoes. And look at these winter squash. Look at the size of this plant. This is just awesome. And all kinds of flowers in there, which means squashes. Let's take a look. Where are they? Don't mind the gloves. I've got them on because I always want to play in the dirt and my fingernails get so dirty and I've got to go to work in the public. And so I've got to keep these gloves on. I don't like garden gloves. I like these gloves because I can feel stuff. But let's look. Oh, look. Look. You're hiding. There's two winter squash growing right there. Oh, I've got lots of them. They hide though, eh? So you got to find them. Okay, there's another one in there. He's coming. They come off the end of the flowers once the flowers get pollinated. So I got a whole bunch of flowers in here. Let's see how many of them we get. And there's one right there. Look at the vines that they have to keep themselves together. And there's a baby coming right there. That's going to be a winter squash. They're so good. Oh, I cooked them with, I cut them in half, cooked them with brown sugar and butter. Put them in the oven and let them roast. And here's the peppers. I got lots of peppers. And I got the skinny. These here are Portuguese hot peppers. These ones are my sweet banana peppers that I'm going to make pickled peppers out of. I got a flower on this one coming. A few more here. There, and I got lots of flowers, so the more the flowers, the more I'm going to get. These are baby cucumbers, the pickling cucumbers, so I'll pick them off. And here's my cabbages. Oh, and this lettuce here is going to seed, so I'm going to let it go. It's done now. That's the update on my weedless garden, how good it's growing. Leaps and bounds, tons and tons of tomatoes getting ready to eat. I'm so excited. That red one there, I don't know. I just might pick it today. Okay, folks, well, signing off now. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.